It is time to get the Jeep ready. We're heading out this Saturday. We reserved 2 weeks at Rainbow Falls Provincial Park and 6 days at Windy Lake Provincial Park. This is a 1,200 kilometer trip one way. Rainbow Falls is about 80 kilometers before Nipigon, where Highway 11 and 17 meet. Welcome to our escapades. Ursula is the navigator. My name is Dieter and I'm the wheelman. The first task is to make room in the Jeep and check the tools and recovery gear. We have a box with basic electronic test tools and cables for the battery booster and generator. We also keep a printout of the fuse box and the 9-pin hitch connector. The red bag for the vehicle recovery and the high lift jack. I also keep my homemade soft shackles there. Ropes and tackles, a very interesting topic. I dove into that during COVID. The yellow bag is for the Swiss Army spade, hacksaw and other implements of destructions. Now there is room in the Jeep and we can start the checklist and loading process. First, the front of the Jeep. No winch, but new headlights from KC, the H4 halogen lights. We didn't get the LED lights. The main reason was the price. After more than a year, we are very happy with the KC lights. Today is the 1st of July and we celebrate the 157th Canada Day. And so we proudly fly our flag. The next, option we added to the Jeep is the landing pad on the hood. Whoa! The shadow just now is actually from a plane, a big one. For now, the pad is a launch pad and I need more practice to make this a landing pad as well. We picked up a drone only last week, so we can add a new perspective to our videos. At the time of this video, I have maybe 20 minutes of flight time, so don't expect great things yet. This was another COVID project. I made the drone pilot license in March of 21. Getting ready for the trip means we have to load the roof rack. This is the Jeep JK ARS Pro roof rack, formerly Cargomaster Safari. It is a 2-inch frame with a platform we can stand on. Back to the front of the Jeep again. The front hoop of the rack stays on all year, so do the rigid DSS Pro spotlights. These are off-road lights and are covered to prevent damage and bug splatter. Many years ago, I added a limb lifter. A simple and effective way to keep the overhanging branches away from the windshield and off-road lights. This is proven over and over again when driving on overgrown side trails. The branches slide up over the roof rack. On our PEI trip in 2018, we bought the Honda generator EU1000i. It provides 900 watts and works like a charm. We needed a place to store the generator when we are driving. Spare tire racks are too expensive, and it was time to test my welding skills. In 2021, we upgraded the tailgate hinges and I welded a rack that is attached to this hinge assembly. This is a custom rack for the Honda generator and our Dometic 972 portable toilet. Both are items better kept outside, but I have to say, the toilet is actually completely odor-free when closed. The roof rack is loaded. Starting in front, the high lift jack and a shovel should we ever get stuck. 2 canisters with 20 liters of gas each. These are the metal canisters from Wavian USA. 40 liters is good for 200 to 350 kilometers. Traction pads for mud, ice and holes. We got 2 pairs from Canadian Tire. The last items are the spare tires for the trailer. Once we are at the destination, they are stored under the trailer. This pretty much completes the travel, camping and off-road preparation. By the time this video goes on YouTube, we are already at Rainbow Lake Provincial Park. Thank you for watching and we'll see you out there.